These are weak spots where stress from a shifting foundation often shows up first. Don't panic if you see a tiny, straight hairline crack. Sometimes these are just from the paint or plaster settling. The ones to worry about are the cracks that are wider than a 10-rupee coin, or the ones that seem to be growing over time. If you find a suspicious crack, don't ignore it. Here's a simple tip. Take a pencil and mark the date at both ends of the crack. Then, take a clear photo of it with your phone. Check it again in a month or two. Let's move on to our second step, the level test. This one is about checking for signs that your floors are no longer perfectly flat. Go to your doors and windows. Do any of your doors swing open or closed on their own? Another simple trick is the ball test. Take a small marble or a golf ball and place it on the floor in different parts of your house. Does the ball stay put, or does it consistently roll to one side? Also, look for gaps between your floor and the wall skirting. A new or widening gap can tell you that either the wall is pulling away or the floor is sinking down. Now for our third and final mission, the moisture hunt. Water is the biggest enemy of a healthy foundation. Start your inspection in the lowest parts of your house, looking for any signs of water stains, damp patches, or peeling paint. Check the area just outside your home as well. Does rainwater pool near your foundation after a heavy downpour? The ground should always slope away from your house, guiding water away, not towards it. Look for any signs of mold or mildew, which looks like black, green, or white fuzzy patches. Finding moisture is a serious warning, as it not only damages the foundation, but can also lead to health problems for your family. So you have completed your 3-minute scan, and you found something that worries you. Maybe a growing crack, a sticky door, or a damp patch on the wall. The first and most important rule is, do not panic. If you see major issues like large horizontal cracks in the foundation, it is best to call a professional structural engineer right away. If the issues are minor, you can start by monitoring the situation using the pencil trick. For moisture issues, check your gutters and downspouts. Make sure they are clean and directing water far away from your house. Sometimes a simple fix like extending a downspout can solve the problem. The key is to make this 3-minute scan a regular habit. You should check your home's foundation at least 2 or 3 times a year. Make it a family activity. Teach your older children what to look for. Ultimately, your home is more than just bricks and cement. It's the nest where your family feels safe and secure. Taking these small, simple steps to ensure its structural health is one of the most important things you can do as a homeowner. So please, take these 3 minutes. Walk around your home, look closely, and listen to what it might be telling you. A healthy foundation leads to a happy, safe home. And that, my friends, is truly priceless. Stay safe and take care.